Okay. Hello everybody. Today I will be dealing with BHU PET 2017 MSc Biochemistry question. Coming to the first question. The process by which particles move a region of higher concentration to a lower concentration to spread uniformity is called as. Answer is options are option 1 osmosis, 2 diffusion, 3 transportation, 4 conduction. Answer is option 2 diffusion. Next one. The force with which the surface molecules of a liquid are held together is called. Option 1 tensile strength, 2 power, 3 cohesive, 4 surface tension. Answer is option 4 surface tension. Next one. Chief cells secrete. Option 1 NaOH, 2 HCl, 3 NaHCO3, 4 enzymes. Answer is option 4 enzymes. Next one. If a reaction is equilibrium, the free energy delta G is equal to option 1 1, 2, 2, 3, 0, 4, 10. Answer is option 3 0. Which of the non-covalent bonds responsible for the high melting and boiling points of water? Answer 1 hydrogen bonds, 2 van der Waals forces, 3 hydrophobic forces, 4 electrostatic interactions. Answer is option 1 hydrogen bonds. Next one. Which of the following is a suicide enzyme? Options are option 1 gluconase, 2 LDH, 3 cyclooxygenase, 4 GOT. Answer is option 3 cyclooxygenase. Next one. Why is red wine particularly beneficial? Option 1 it contains vitamins, 2 it contains proper carbohydrate, 3 it contains antioxidants, 4 it contains proteins. Answer is option 3 it contains antioxidants. Next one. Which of the following is not useful in identifying the amino terminal residue of protein? Option 1 cyanogen bromide, 2 dabsyl chloride, 3 fluorodinitrobenzene, 4 phenyl isothiocyanate. Answer is cyanogen bromide. Next one. Which of the following amino acid residues is likely to be found on the inside of a water soluble protein? Option 1 histidine, 2 aspartic acid, 3 isoleucine, 4 arginine. Answer is option 3 isoleucine. Next one. The resistance experienced by one layer of a liquid in moving over another layer is called. Option 1 friction, 2 viscosity, 3 force, 4 torque. Answer is option 2 viscosity. Next one. Which of the following is true? Apoenzyme minus coenzyme is equal to holoenzyme. Apoenzyme plus coenzyme is equal to holoenzyme. Apoenzyme is equal to holoenzyme. Coenzyme is equal to holoenzyme. Answer is option 2 apoenzyme plus coenzyme is equal. Next one. Which of the following is the important reactive group of glutathione in its role as an antioxidant? Option 1 hydroxyl group, 2 sulfahydryl group, 3 keto group, 4 carboxyl group. Answer is sulfahydryl group. Next one. Which of the following is not a dietary antioxidant? Answer is options are vitamin C, 2 vitamin E, 3 vitamin K, 4 beta carotene. Answer is option 3 vitamin K. If the average molecular weight of one amino acid is 110, the molecular weight of a peptide made of 10 amino acids is expected to be. Option 1 1100, 2 744, 3 938, 4 876. Answer is option 3 938. Next one. How many molecules of vitamin A are formed from one molecule of beta carotene? And options are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Answer is option 2, 2. Next one. In photosynthesis and cellular respiration processes, the catalyst cytochrome oxidase utilizes option 1 copper, 2 iron, 3 copper and iron, 4. Nickel. Answer is copper and iron. Option 3. Who gave the name nucleic acid? Option 1. Altman. 2. Franklin. 3. Watson. 4. Crick. Answer is option 1. Altman. Next one. The offsprings obtain how much genes from father? Option 1. 25%. 2. 75%. 3. 50%. 4. 100%. Answer is option 3. 50%. Next one. A child with IQ of 140 belongs to which category? Option 1. Genius. 2. Superior. 3. Most superior. 4. Average. Answer is option 1. Genius. In which era life was evolved? Option 1. Precambrian era. Option 2. Mesozoic era. 3. Cenozoic era. 4. Paleozoic era. Answer is Precambrian era. That is option 1. Next one. A specific characteristic of class Insecta is option 1. 2 pair of legs. 3 pair of legs. 3. 4 pair of legs. And 4. 5 pair of legs. Answer is option 2. 3 pair of legs. Sleeping sickness occurs due to option 1. Euglena. 2. Plasmodium. 3. Trypanosoma. 4. Protozoa. Answer is option 3. Trypanosoma. Silverfish is option 1. Insect. 2. Fish. 3. Crustacean. 4. Bird. Answer is option 1. Insect. Next one. Hydra moves fast with fast speed by option 1. Looping. 2. Walking on foot. 3. Creeping. 4. Somersaulting. Answer is somersaulting. On which segment of the body the earthworm possesses male reproductive organ? Option 1. Segment 10. Option 2. Segment 19. Option 3. Segment 20. And option 4. Segment 21. Answer is option 1. Segment 10. Next one. Tendons connect. Option 1. Bone to bone. 2. Bone to muscle. 3. Muscle to muscle. 4. Skin to muscle. Answer is bone to muscle. Option 2. Which of the following is not an enzyme? Option 1. Maltase. 2. Amylose. 3. Trypsin. 4. Lipase. Answer is option 2. Amylose. Next one. Most of the members of vitamin B complex are primarily used as option 1. Hormones. 2. Enzymes. 3. Coenzymes. 4. Digestive elements. Answer is option 3. Coenzymes. Next one. Chloride shift in blood is essential for the transport of which gas? Option 1. Oxygen. 2. Nitrogen. 3. Carbon dioxide. 4. Carbon monoxide. Answer is option 3. Carbon dioxide. Tricuspid valve exists between option 1. Right auricle and ventricle. 2. Both auricles. 3. Both ventricles. 4. Left auricle and ventricle. Answer is option. Haptenes are small molecules. 2. Large molecules. 3. Medium sized molecules. 4. Inclusion bodies. Answer is option 1. Small molecules. How much protein is there in HDL? Option 1. 10%. 2. 20%. 3. 50%. 4. 35%. Answer is option 3. 50%. The letters used to denote tryptophan and lysine are option 1. W and K. Option 2. R and W. 3. L and K. 4. K and S. Answer is option 1. W. Deamination of cytosine leads to option 1. Thymine. 2. Uracil. 3. Guanine. 4. Adenine. Answer is option 2. Uracil. Next one. More than one codon can specify the same amino acid. This is called option 1. Degeneracy. 2. Regeneracy. 3. Continuity. 4. Universality. Answer is option 1. Degeneracy. If the cytosine content of a duplex is 20% of the total bases, the adenine content would be. Answer is option 2. Next one. Which of the immunoglobulin crosses the placenta and reaches the fetus is Option 1 IgA, 2 IgM, 3 IgG, 4 IgE. Answer is option 3 IgG. Light reaction takes place in option 1 stroma, 2 grana, 3 endoplasmic reticulum, 4 Golgi bodies. Answer is option 2 grana. In cell, the per DNA synthesis phase is termed as option 1 G2 phase, option 2 S phase, option 3 G1 phase, option 4 M phase. Answer is option 2 S phase. Next one. Crossing over take place in which stage? Option 1 Pachytene, 2 Zygotene, 3 Leptotene, 4 Diplotene. Answer is option 1 Pachytene. The mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide is an industrial fuel known as option 1 fuel gas, option 2 water gas, 3 industrial gas, 4 vapor. Answer is option 2 water gas. On-spot treatment of environmental pollutant is known as option 1 in situ, 2 ex situ, 3 local, 4 transported. Answer option 1 in situ. Next one. Endorphin is a option 1 lipid, 2 protein, 3 carbohydrate, 4 nucleic acid. Answer is option 2 protein. Next one. The loss or addition of one or more chromosomes is known as option 1 polyploidy, 2 aneuploidy, 3 euploidy, 4 aploidy. Answer is option 2 aneuploidy. Who said ontogeny recapitulates ontogeny? Option 1 Robert Hooke, 2 Haeckel, 3 Baltimore, 4 Crick. Answer is option 2. Next one. The science of improving human stock is known as option 1 genetics, 2 biology, 3 eugenics, 4 animal science. Answer is option 3 eugenics. Adenovirus contain double-stranded DNA non-enveloped. Option 2 double-stranded DNA enveloped. Option 3 double-stranded RNA non-enveloped. Option 4 single-stranded RNA enveloped. Answer is option 2 double-stranded DNA. Next one. A gene that is placed into a plasmid is called option 1 small plasmid, 2 DNA, 3 insert, 4 transgene. Answer is option 3 insert. Next one. A single-stranded DNA or RNA molecule used to detect the presence of a complementary nucleic acid is called option 1 sensor, option 2 probe, option 3 insert, option 4 detector. Answer is option 2 probe. Next one. Oxidative stress is caused due to option 1 production of excessive free radicals, 2 production of excessive HCl in stomach, 3 indigestion, 4 low BMR. Answer is production of excessive free radicals, that is option. Next one. Adjuvants are the agents that option 1 decrease immunogenicity of an antigen, 2 increase immunogenicity of an antigen, 3 decrease immunity, 4 increase immunity. Answer is option 2 increase immunogenicity of an antigen. Next one. Confining the enzyme molecule to a distinct phase is known as option 1 immobilization, 2 purification, 3 adsorption, 4 absorption. Answer is option 1 immobilization. An analytical device which employs a biological material to specifically interact with an analyte and measures the generated electrical signal by transducer is called as option 1 electrometer, 2 biosensor, 3 conductor, 4 amplifier. Answer is option 2 biosensor. The disease of tomato is caused by option 1 Alternaria solani, 2 Fusarium oxysporium, 3 Helminthosporium sativum, 4 Ersife polygoni. Answer is Alternaria solani. Caryopsis is the fruit in member of the family option 1 Fabaceae, 2 Asteraceae, 3 Poaceae, 4 Abiaceae. Answer is option 3 Poaceae. Next one. Which of the following antibiotic inhibits the translation in eukaryotes? Option 1. Tetracycline. 2. Puromycin. 3. Penicillin. 4. Chloromycetin. Answer is option 2. Puromycin. Polymerase chain reaction was developed by option 1. Watson and Crick. 2. Hargobind Khorana. 3. Albert Smith. 4. Kary Mullis. Answer is option 4. Kary Mullis. Next one. The first immunoglobulin synthesized by the fetus is option A 1 IgA, 2 IgG, 3 IgM, 4 IgE. Answer is option 3 IgM. When atoms or ions are missed or misplaced in a crystal, the defects are called option 1 surface defect, 2 point defect, 3 unit cell defect, 4 displacement. Answer is option. The molarity of a 250 ml solution containing 0.1 mole of NaOH would be option 1 0.1, option 2 0.2, option 3 0.3, option 4 0.4. Answer is option 4 0.4. After dissolution of iodine in a solution, the entropy option 1 increases, option 2 decreases, option 3 first increases and then decreases, option 4 first decreases and then increases. Answer is option 3 first increases. Next one. The order of reaction for radioactive decay is option 1 first, 2 second, 3 third, 4 0. Answer is option 1 first. What is produced when ethanol vapors are passed over alumina at 600 K? Option 1 ethane, 2 ethene, 4 acetylene, 4 methane. Answer is option 2 ethene. Next one. The metal oxide which is also known as philosopher's wool. For option 1 ZNO, 2 CuO, 3 FeO, 4 CdO. Answer is option 1 ZNO. Give one example of substance used in hair dye. Answer is aminophenol. Options are aminophenol, 2 cyclomethicone, 3 butylene glycol, 4 propylene glycol. Answer is option 1 aminophenol. 1 millimolar is equal to 1 nanomoles per ml, 2 1 micromole per ml, 3 1 picomole per ml, and 4 1 femtomole per ml. Option 2 is per ml. The sum of pKa and pKb is equal to answer options 12 1 is 12, 2 14, 3 10, 4 7. Answer is option 2 14. How many different stereoisomers are possible with an aldohexose? Options are option 1 4, 2 8, 3 12, 4 16, and answer is option 4 16. A DNA has 2.1 into 10 raised to 5 nucleotides in its coding strand. The number of codons would be option 1 7 into 10 raised to 4, 2 6 into 10 raised to 3, 3 7 into 10 raised to 3, and 4 4 into 10 raised to 3. Answers are option 1 7. Next one. In which of the following compounds CH bond length is minimum? Option 1 ethane, 2 ethene, 3 1,2-dichloroethane, 4 1,2-dichloroethane. Option 2 ethene is the answer. Freons are chlorofluorocarbons, 2 aromatic molecules, 3 unsaturated fats, 4 carbohydrates. So freons are chlorofluorocarbons. Cryptophytic algae grow on option 1 rocks, 2 water, 3 soil, 4 ice and snow. Answer is ice and snow. An animal which is unicellular, microscopic with no tissues is called as option 1 metazoa, 2 protozoa, 3 chordata, 4 virus. Answer is option 2 protozoa. The organism which contain both chloroplast and flagella is option 1 paramecium, 2 amoeba, 3 euglena, 4 trypanosoma. Answer is option 3 euglena. Which one is commonly known as pond silk? Option 1 Eulothrix, 2. Spirogyra, 3. Cara, 4. Batrachospermum. Answer is option 2. Spirogyra. Litmus is a natural dye obtained from option 1. Algae, 2. Fungi, 3. Lichens, 4. Corals. Answer is option 3. Lichens. Next one. Bordeaux mixture consists of option 1. Lime and calcium sulfate, 2. Sulfur and lime, 3. Copper sulfate and lime, 4. Copper sulfate and sulfur. Answer is option 3. Copper sulfate and lime. Next one. The nerve cells are present in the sporogonium of option 1. Rixia, 2. Marcantia, 3. Angiosperms, 4. Gymnosperms. Answer is option 1. Rixia. Which of the following is classified as an eastern cycad? Dion, option 1. 2. Stangaria, 3. Ceratozamia, 4. Zamia. Answer is option 4. Next one. Which of the following cells are present only in sponges? Option 1. Erythrocytes, 2. Blastocysts, 3. Neurons, 4. Funnel cells. Answer is 4. Funnel cells. Which of the following is called the lantern of Aristotle? Option 1. Starfish, 2. Sea anemone, 3. Sea urchin, 4. Hydra. Answer is option 3. Sea urchin. Hypnotoxin is found in option 1. Nematocyst, 2. Sponges, 3. Ascaris, 4. Protozoans. Answer is option 1. Nematocyst. Next one. The common feature of renin, amylase and trypsin is that they are option 1. Proteins, 2. Vitamins, 3. Nucleic acids, 4. Carbohydrates. Answer is option 1. Proteins. The vitamin needed for maturation of erythrocytes is option 1. C, 2. B12, 3. D, 4. K. Answer is option 2. B12. Light reaction in photosynthesis produces option 1. Oxidizing entity, 2. Reducing entity, 3. Carbon dioxide, 4. Glucose. Answer is option 2. Reducing entity. Next one. RUDP carboxylase can utilize following as a substrate. Option 1. Carbon dioxide, 2. Oxygen, 3. Oxygen and carbon dioxide, 4. Water. Option 3. Oxygen and carbon dioxide. The molecule which binds to the active site in an enzyme is called option 1. Substrate, 2. Activator, 3. Inactivator, 4. Non-competitive inhibitor. Answer is option 1. Substrate. Next one. The genetic material of simian virus 40, that is SV40, is option 1. DNA, 2. RNA, 3. RNA-DNA hybrid, 3. Peptidonucleic acid. Answer is option 1. DNA. Next one. The fibronectin is a option 1. Nucleoprotein, 2. Glycoprotein, 3. Lipoprotein, 4. Phosphoprotein. Answer is glycoprotein. The red pigment found in the ripe tomatoes are called option 1. Lycopene, 2. Leucoplast, 3. Chloroplast, 4. Carotene. Answer is option 1. Lycopene. Next one. Replication takes place in option 1. Cytoplasm, 2. Nucleus, 3. Golgi body, 4. Endoplasmic reticulum. Answer is option 2. Nucleus. Next one. The transcription in prokaryotes is catalyzed by option 1. RNA polymerase 1, option 2. DNA polymerase 2, option 3. RNA polymerase 2, option 4. DNA polymerase 3. Answer is option 3. RNA polymerase 2. Nucleoli are rich in option 1. RNA, 2. Carbohydrates, 3. DNA, 4. Fatty acid. Answer is option 1. Next one. EFG factor is also called as aminoacyl transferase, 2. Oxidase, 3. Hydrolase, 4. Translocase. Answer is option 4. Translocase. Lac operon is option 1. Inducible repressible system, 2. Repressible system. 3. Inducible system. 4. Sluggish system. Answer is option 3. Next one. Polytene cells are destined to die because they are option 1. Unable to undergo mitosis, unable to undergo meiosis, unable to undergo maturation, short-lived. Answer is option 1. Unable to undergo mitosis. Which one of the following is an alkaloid? Option 1. Menthol. 2. Morphine. 2. Anthocyanin. 4. Benzoquinone. Answer is option 2. Morphine. Artemisinin, a plant product, is used against option 1. Filariasis. 2. Ascariasis. 3. Malaria. Cancer. Answer is option 3. Malaria. Next one. The chemical nature of penicillin is option 1. Polyene. 2. Peptide. 3. Aminoglycoside. 4. Spirolactone. Answer is option 2. Peptide. Nitrogenase is protected from oxygen by option 1. Nitrogen. 2. Hemoglobin. 3. Myoglobin. 4. Leg hemoglobin. Answer is option 4. Leg. Next one. Satellite DNA is made up of option 1. Tandemly repeated sequences. 2. Unique sequences of DNA. 3. Mini chromosomes. 4. Interspersed repeated sequences. Answer is option 1. Tandemly repeated sequences. Protein transport into mitochondria take place. Option 1. Co-translationally. 2. Post-translationally. 3. Via peroxisome. Through endoplasmic Golgi pathway. Answer is option 4. Through endoplasmic Golgi pathway. Next one. Collagen is rich in option 1. Histidine. 2. Hydroxyproline. 3. Tryptophan. 4. Alanine. Answer is option 2. Hydroxyproline. Measles is caused by option 1. Bacteria. 2. Puccinia virus. 3. Rubella virus. 4. Fungi. Answer is option 3. Rubella. Next one. What would be a likely explanation for the existence of pseudogenes? Option 1. Gene duplication. 2. Gene duplication and mutation events. 3. Evolutionary pressure. 4. Unequal crossing over. Answer is gene duplication and mutation events. Which of the following modification lead to protein degradation? Option 1. Acetylation. 2. Phosphorylation. 3. Ubiquitination. 4. Methylation. Answer is option 3. Next one. During mismatch repair in E. coli, the parental strand is recognized by option 1. Single-stranded breaks. 2. Glycosylated adenines. 3. Double-stranded breaks. 4. Methylated adenines. Answer is option 4. Methylated adenines. Which of the following is a role of gRNA? Option 1. Self-splicing. 2. Polyadenylation. 3. RNA splicing. 4. Chemical modification of rRNA. Answer is option 4. rRNA. Next one. Most protection against viral disease in the body take place through the activities of option 1. Interferon molecules. 2. Penicillin molecules. 3. Antigen molecules. 4. Antibody molecules. Answer is option 1. Interferon molecules. Skin cancer is induced by which type of DNA damage caused by exposure to harmful UV rays in sunlight? Option 1. Depurination. 2. Deamination. 3. Pyrimidine dimer formation. 4. Alkylation. Answer is pyrimidine dimer formation. That is cesium belongs to option 1. S1 block. 2. S2 block. 3. P2 block. 4. P5 block. Answer is option 1. S1 block. One of the following reaction intermediates does not have a planar structure. Option 1. Alkyl carbocation. 2. Alkyl carbanion. 3. Alkyl free radical. 4. Singlet carbene. Answer is option 2. Alkyl carbanion. Next one. In global warming, the dangerous gas next to carbon dioxide is option 1. CH4. 2. SO2. 3. NO2. 4. Water vapor. Answer is option 1, methane, CH4. The next one. The master break of the cell cycle is 2. Cyclin proteins, 2. P21, 3. RB proteins, 4. P7. Answer is RB protein. Monopoline is a option 1. Complex carbohydrate, 2. Mitosis specific protein complex, 3. Lipid, 4. Meiosis specific protein complex. Answer is option 4. Meiosis complex. Which of the following enzymes is responsible for the transfer of amino groups from an amino acid to an alpha keto acid? Option 1. Transaminase, 2. Transketolase, 3. Deaminase, 4. Lyase. Answer is option 1. Transaminase. Germ-line cells give rise to option 1. Eggs, 2. Sperms, 3. Eggs or sperms, 4. Somatic cell. Answer is option 3. Eggs or sperms. Next one. Which of the following is the most stable ecosystem? Option 1. Forest, 2. Grassland, 3. Ocean, 4. Desert. Answer is option 3. Ocean. Maximum biodiversity occurs at option 1. Poles, 2. Equator, 3. Temperate, 4. Tropics. Answer is option 4. Tropics.